Hello everybody. Summertime is coming. Everybody thinking about getting in shape, lose weight, cut some carbs, cut some fats, basically eat healthy. So I figured out one pretty cool recipe for the pizza. You can basically cook it in 5 minutes, which gonna have super low carbs, a lot of protein and low fats. Alright, so I went to Walmart and look what I found. So every pizza has to have some cheese, right? So I found this fat-free cheddar cheese. Also I found fat-free mozzarella cheese, which is perfect for pizza. So we need base for the pizza, right? And here what I found is a low-carb flour tortilla, which has only 6 grams of net carbs. This is like nothing compared to regular flour tortillas. Other things that we're gonna add to pizza is salsa verde hot. Just a little bit, about 2 tablespoons. Prego alfredo sauce has a little bit of fat, so we're just gonna add like 1 tablespoon. If you don't like this or that, you can use as a base sugar-free ketchup or sugar-free barbecue sauce. I'm not gonna use them today, but this is like an option you can try. What I did, I weighed out 20 grams of cheddar cheese, 20 grams of mozzarella, 200 grams of chicken breast. I pre-cooked it yesterday. You can boil it or you can just cook it in a pan with no fat, nothing like that, just nothing fancy. Put some salt, pepper and cook it up. 200 grams right there and some fresh chopped garlic. Alright, now we're gonna put it on a pan and I'll show you what's next. So I put it on medium heat just to make it warm enough. Drop this tortilla, even probably a little bit lower. We don't need it to be like burn or anything. We just need it warm. Prego is a base, just like that. Just a little bit for the smell and for the taste. Just 1 tablespoon. If you like it more cheesy, put 2 tablespoons. It's not that bad. Alright, so we got that. Now I like to add some cheese on top of this whole thing, just to make a little cheesy base right under everything's going on there. So right there, and why not to add a little bit of mozzarella as well, right? All right, next we're gonna add some chicken, and we got a lot of chicken here. So I got 200 grams here. Not sure if I can fit all it, but I'll try. All right, next I'm gonna add garlic. Just hold this thing on top. It'll give some good natural smell. Next is 2 tablespoons of hot salsa. Right here. You could put it down on the base, but I like it when it's on top. It's your preference. The main thing is all the ingredients right here. So we put it like this, not too much, just a little bit. As much as you want actually, but for the sake of this recipe, just 2 tablespoons. Right, alright. And we're gonna top it off with all the rest of the cheese we got. We can put more cheese. It's basically no fat, nothing. Just good melting cheese. Yeah, it's enough. 20 grams of cheddar and 20 grams of mozzarella. That's pretty much all right here. Now what I like to do is just add a little bit more heat. Then add a few drops of water. Just add a few drops of water just to make it evaporate and melt our cheese quicker. And close the lid. And wait for about 3 minutes and that should be done. Alright, so it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. The cheese should be melted already. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. Isn't it great? Do this. All right. Look at that. All right, so I cut it in 4 slices like a pizza. As you can see, it looks pretty good. And you can take it like this and eat and enjoy your day. Look at that. Alright, let's do a little taste test, right? Cheers. Oh my god. This is amazing. If you're on diet and you love pizza, 5 minutes and you're set, you know. Super easy, super tasty, a lot of protein. I'm gonna list macros right here so you'll be able to see it. And yeah, if you cook it, let me know what you think. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know. So what you think about it, guys? Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope I helped you with your fat loss journey. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye bye. It tastes amazing. You can feel the garlic. It gives it freshness.